I look around and I see how miserable Western society's become and how
Mm.
limited and inward looking it is and how we've cheated our children. I cannot get over the raw data on their levels of anxiety and depression and self harm.
Yes.
And yet we have no narrative and we're not prepared to, all we want to do, all of our elites simply want to mock the one narrative that seems to have provided a durable and lasting meaning, purpose in people's lives. But
Oh,
perhaps we're just
yes.
talking to one another here and agreeing.
Well, I've emphasized this in my work. As someone who comes out of a non Christian background, I've felt deeply the darkness and the despair of a life without God. And when I became a Christian, that junior year in high school, the most profound difference that it made for me was not the joy or the love that it brought, it was the meaning that
Meaning.
it gave meaning to my existence. And that life now was not simply doomed to end in death and extinction, but my life was infused with an eternal significance. And so for me, that turned my life upside down. I became a disciple of Jesus and have followed him ardently ever since.